In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restrict who can make changes on your channel to channel managers only. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to restrict permission on who can make changes on your channel in Slack, it is pretty simple. Just go ahead and select the channel that you want to make changes. For my case, I want to choose the social channel. From here, go ahead and click on this more actions and click on edit settings. From here, scroll down until you see this option, choose who can add, remove and reorder tabs, and currently you can see it is set to everyone. I'd like to go ahead and change this to channel managers. Once you're done, from now henceforth, no one will be able to make changes of adding, removing and reordering tabs on this channel apart from channel managers. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.